Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Threads profile or setting not updating on your iPhone. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Threads need a strong and stable connection to update profiles and settings. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or turn airplane mode on and off to refresh your connection. Next, close and reopen the Threads app completely. Swipe up from the bottom of your screen and swipe it away to close the app. Wait a few seconds, then open the app again and try updating your profile or setting. After that, update the Threads app. Open the App Store, search for Thread and tap Update if available. Update often fix bugs that cause profile or settings. If the problem continues, delete and reinstall the Threads app. Press and hold the Thread app icon, tap Remove app, then delete app. Reinstall it from the App Store and try updating your profile again. Finally, check Threads server status. Sometimes profile updates fail due to server issues. If that's the case, waiting little a while is the only solution. And that's it. This step should fix Threads profile or setting not updating on your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.